Many times I was facing a need to hide information in my Excel table, and today I would like to share with you several easy tricks to do that. But first, let's find out why you may need to hide data in your Excel tables. First, you would like to make your Excel tables, reports, dashboards look more professional. Most common need is to hide technical fields, that it will not overload your presentation. Second one is to protect your file. I hate when people are changing it, and as a result it is corrupted and not operating as I'm expecting. You create a big dashboard with heavy calculations, but still you are interested to get results and make some decision based on that. So now you need to hide some calculations so that you would highlight your main message. And the last but not least, if you are developing some reports that may be copied and basically logic of the calculations may be stolen, you need to protect your intellectual property. This is a list of top reasons, but definitely it is not the only one. What is your reason to hide data in Excel? Leave your reasons in a comment below the video. So for today's purpose, I would go through 3 tricks that will hide information in Excel but will still allow you to operate based on that. These 3 tricks are going to be about color, format, and protection. So let's go to Excel and check them out. I have created a small table of 3 rows to test each trick on separate line. Let's start with color. Logic of the trick is pretty simple. You can see black text in white cell. But what if you match the color of the font and cell filling? We may find some illusion hiding data in the cell. And let's test it on the first row. I personally love green color, so now let's make it both to the same way. So we're selecting the full line and selecting the color of the font to green and color of the fitting to the green. Now you may not see any data in the cell. As I'm a big fan of one formula in full report calculation, I use this trick with changing lookup values like countries, regions, sites. However, if you will create a link to see the value of one of the cells, and let's do it just next to the table, we are going to see it is available for us here. Is there any option to avoid seeing any data when we are adding such formula? Let's check out the formats. Maybe they can help us here. Formats are powerful tools of data visualization. It is hard to master, but very easy to use. I'm currently working on longer videos to explain creation of personalized formats. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell not to miss a new video. So the trick is about creating so-called blank format. You should not confuse with general ones. So let's open the cell format. First let's select the full line. Now let's open cell formatting. We are selecting number, selecting custom, and instead of general we are inserting 3 semicolons. When we are going to click OK, we should not see any values. If you will create a link to any of the cells, let's do the same as we have done for the line number 1, we should not see any values. What's the difference? We have changed the format of the cell, and when we are creating a direct link, it is inherits the format that we have in the original cell. In any case, if we are going to click on the line, we still be able to see the content of the cell. And let's investigate the real protection of our data in the cell. So we are going to apply first 2 tricks to the last line. So we are going to make it green. We are going to apply custom format or blank format. And now we need to change one more trigger in the cell formatting. On Protection tab, we need to add a tick next to the hidden. And now we should click OK. Nothing still has been changed. However, we need to protect the sheet. We are not going to put any password here, but when we are going to click OK, when we are going to click on a non-hidden cells, we're going to see its content. But when we are going to click on the hidden one, we are going to see nothing. Now your cells are 100% protected. I hope you have found something new for you. In case it's true, don't forget to like this video that drives me on creating new ones. Excel allows us to do everything you might think of. Stay in touch. Cheers!